Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to use Ruff format. So in most of the MNCs, they use Ruff library for formatting the codes. The portion of the code is very large. So I am taking a very small example here and I'm demonstrating how to use Ruff library. So for that, first we need to install the Ruff library. So type the command as pip install Ruff so that it will get installed in your system. And once it gets installed, you just need to format the code. So for that sake, first you need to type command as rough, then format, and after that you have to copy the path of that particular program and you have to paste it and run the code. That's it. It got formatted and it added some extra spaces and the formattings. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.